The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, was launched to deepen our understanding of the cosmos. From tracing the formation of distant galaxies to identifying the components of exoplanets, its insights have fascinated scientists and stargazers. Recently, the JWST detected a mysterious object in space that has shocked scientists. This discovery raises questions about the unknowns that still linger in our universe. What exactly is this mysterious object? And what does this discovery mean for humanity? Join us as we reveal the terrifying new object JWST detected in space. The James Webb Space Telescope, which was launched in December 2021, has made a recent discovery about an object that could change our understanding of the universe in profound ways. Being one of the most powerful space telescopes ever built, it is designed to explore the universe in unprecedented detail, focusing on infrared wavelengths to observe distant galaxies, stars, and planetary systems. This mysterious object found by the JWST behaves very differently from typical celestial bodies like stars and black holes. Rather than being stable and serene, it disrupts the space around it, causing nearby gas clouds to swirl erratically and light to bend in unexpected ways. Scientists believe this object may be generating its own gravitational field, one that constantly shifts and warps, making it difficult to study. It seems to create ripples in space-time, a feature usually linked only to black holes, yet this is not a black hole. What exactly is this and how was it detected by the JWST? Stay tuned because what comes next will blow your mind. This object that was caught by the JWST is quite strange because of its movements. Most celestial bodies follow predictable paths dictated by gravitational forces, but this one, in particular, moves erratically. Apparently, the trajectory of this object changes unexpectedly, as if it possesses some awareness of its surroundings. This behavior has prompted scientists to consider the unsettling possibility that this might not be a natural object at all. Could it be a remnant of an ancient civilization or even a sign of intelligent life? Such theories might sound like science fiction, but the object's unique characteristics force us to consider extraordinary possibilities. Given how strange this mysterious object is, the JWST was able to pick it up due to it being a marvel of modern engineering. The JWST is also packed with advanced technology that lets us see further into space than ever before. And its success is due to highly advanced instruments like the Near-Infrared Camera, NIRCam, the Mid-Infrared Instrument, MIRI, and the Fine Guidance Sensor, Near-Infrared Imager, and Slitless Spectrograph, FGS, NIRIS. These instruments were developed by a global team of engineers, scientists, and researchers. This international teamwork has helped JWST make important discoveries, such as identifying some of the first galaxies formed after the Big Bang. These discoveries are not just advancing our knowledge of how galaxies come into existence, but also offering essential information about what the universe was like in its earliest days. A good example is the mysterious object found in space that scientists do not know how to classify. What makes this object mysterious is the fact that it has an ever-changing form, unusual energy patterns, and erratic movements that hint at a design or purpose that natural phenomena typically lack. If this object is artificial, it suggests the existence of intelligent beings far beyond our current technology. The implications of this are staggering. Are we on the brink of discovering remnants of advanced alien technology from civilizations that existed millions or billions of years ago? Or could this be a probe or signal from an active extraterrestrial species still observing us? Adding to the mystery, this object emits faint signals that are distinct and patterned, not random bursts of radiation like those from stars. This hints at a possible attempt to communicate or transmit information. As we go deeper into this discovery, we find ourselves questioning everything we thought we knew about the universe and our place within it. The potential for encountering intelligent life has never felt closer, and the possibilities are both thrilling and terrifying. This latest discovery by the JWST of this mysterious object has raised many questions and created a sense of confusion among scientists. Attempts to understand the signals it emits have not led to any clear answers. These signals do not match any known language or format, leading some experts to suggest they might not even be signals in the way we understand them. This raises the possibility that they could represent something far more complex, possibly even a form of cosmic encryption that is beyond our understanding. What's particularly alarming is that these signals seem to be getting stronger over time. Initially, the object was only a faint shimmer in the telescope's view, but now it is emitting energy at an increasing rate, as if it is becoming more active. This has led some scientists to wonder if we are witnessing the awakening of an ancient device that has been dormant for ages. If this object is indeed an artifact, it raises questions about what it might do next. Could it send out more signals, move closer to our solar system, or interact with other cosmic entities in ways we can't yet foresee? The potential for danger is real, especially since we know so little about its nature. This discovery forces us to rethink our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity has searched the stars for signs of life, often assuming that any intelligent civilization would either be more advanced or less advanced than us. However, this object suggests that there are phenomena in the universe that do not fit these simple ideas. It implies that we might not be the first intelligent beings to look out into the cosmos and wonder what exists beyond our world. Even more unsettling is the thought that there could be forces in the universe that are older and more powerful than we can comprehend. Moreover, the existence of this object raises profound questions about civilizations. If it is a remnant of a long-lost civilization, it indicates that intelligent societies can rise and fall over vast cosmic timescales. This finding could serve as a warning, giving us a glimpse into what may happen to intelligent life in the universe. Could we be seeing a relic of a civilization that reached incredible technological heights, only to disappear without a trace? What caused their downfall, and could a similar fate await us? The scale of this discovery puts our existence in a humbling perspective. The universe is vast and ancient, and we may not be the first beings to ponder its mysteries. Equally concerning is the idea that this object could be a precursor to something yet to come. If it is not a remnant of the past, it could signal events that have yet to unfold. This suggests that we might be witnessing the start of a larger phenomenon that we cannot yet grasp. Also, the possibility of other similar objects hidden in the depths of space cannot be overlooked. If one exists, there could be more. The James Webb Space Telescope's extraordinary capabilities may only be revealing a fraction of what lies beyond. This object could be part of a broader network of cosmic anomalies scattered throughout the universe, each with its own mysteries. Despite the fear this discovery brings because of how mixed its signals are, it also offers exciting chances for scientific progress. Efforts to understand the signals from this mysterious object have led to confusion. These signals do not match any known language or data format, and some experts believe they may not even be signals in the traditional sense. Could they be a message, or perhaps something even stranger, like cosmic encryption that we cannot grasp? Even more troubling is that these signals seem to be getting stronger. Initially, the object appeared as a faint shimmer, but it now emits energy at an increasing rate, as if it is becoming more active. This activity has caused some scientists to wonder if it might be awakening from a long period of dormancy. If this object is truly an ancient artifact, we could be witnessing its reactivation after countless years. What happens next is uncertain. Could it send out more signals, approach our solar system, or interact with other cosmic bodies in unpredictable ways? The potential for disaster is real, especially considering how little we understand about it. The discovery also makes us reconsider our place in the universe. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars for signs of life, often assuming that any alien civilization would either be much less advanced or far more advanced than us. However, this object suggests there might be phenomena in the universe that do not fit these simple categories. It raises the possibility that we are not the first intelligent beings to gaze into the cosmos and wonder what is out there. Even more chilling is the idea that there could be forces in the universe that are older and more powerful than we ever thought possible. The James Webb Telescope's capture of this unusual object raises deep questions about existence. If this object is a remnant of a long-lost civilization, it implies that civilizations can rise and fall over cosmic timescales. This discovery might serve as a warning, giving us a look into the past or future and showing what could happen to intelligent life in the universe. Are we observing a relic from a species that reached incredible technological heights, only to disappear without a trace? What caused their downfall, and could we face the same fate? The enormity of this discovery puts humanity's existence into perspective. The universe is vast and ancient, and we, humans, may not be the first beings to ponder its mysteries. Equally disturbing is the thought that this object might be something yet to come. If it is not a remnant of the past, but a precursor to an event that has not yet happened, the implications are frightening. It could be part of a series of events or objects moving through the universe, changing the very fabric of space and time. What we are seeing could mark the beginning of something much larger, something we cannot yet understand. Our very observation of this object might even play a role in its activation. Could our gaze have triggered some response, starting a chain of events that will ripple across the cosmos? There's also the possibility of other similar objects hiding in the far reaches of space that cannot be ignored. If one exists, there may be more. The James Webb Space Telescope's extraordinary capabilities might only be revealing a small part of what is out there. This object could be part of a larger network, a web of cosmic anomalies scattered throughout the universe, each with its own unique properties and mysteries. This discovery may open the door to a new era of space exploration filled with both wonder and fear. What other ancient relics, alien technologies, or cosmic forces might be lurking in the dark corners of the universe? Despite the fear this object brings, it also presents unprecedented opportunities for scientific advancement. The discovery challenges us to rethink our understanding of the universe and develop new theories and technologies to study it. It might hold the key to unlocking new realms of physics, revealing secrets about space, time, and energy that we have never considered. This discovery could help us understand dark matter, the structure of the universe, and even the origins of life. The potential for new knowledge is huge, but so are the risks. This object, with all its unknowns, might be a warning of destruction just as easily as it could be a source of insight. One of the most intriguing features of this object is its unpredictability. Unlike stars, planets, and black holes, which behave in predictable ways according to the laws of physics, this object seems to operate by its own rules. Its energy emissions change without a clear pattern, and it appears to change shape, as if reacting to forces we do not yet grasp. This has led to significant discussions among scientists. Some researchers think the object might consist of a type of matter that we have not yet discovered. Ordinary matter behaves predictably under different conditions, like heat or gravity, but this object does not follow those rules. It doesn't act like a solid mass or behave like gases or liquids. Its constantly shifting state leads scientists to consider the existence of exotic materials or particles that could be higher dimensional or entirely new forms of matter we have never encountered before. Some have suggested that this object might be made of a theoretical substance called quintessence, which is a form of dark energy. Dark energy is thought to make up about 68% of the universe and remains one of the biggest mysteries in astrophysics. It is invisible, widespread, and interacts with the universe in ways that we still do not fully understand. If this object is made of quintessence or something similar, it could give scientists a way to study dark energy directly for the first time. Understanding how dark energy works could change our views on how the universe expands, its ultimate fate, and even the fundamental forces that govern reality. Adding to the mystery, this object affects nearby cosmic structures in strange ways. While it seems isolated in space, its presence disrupts the environment. Nearby gas clouds, which are usually quiet, are being pulled toward the object, but not in the typical way that gravity pulls things together. Instead, these clouds move erratically, sometimes speeding toward the object and then suddenly stopping or changing direction as if pushed by an unseen force. This behavior has never been seen before and confuses astronomers trying to understand what's happening. The gravitational pull from the object, if it even has one, does not follow the predictions made by Einstein's theory of general relativity, which explains how gravity works on a large scale. This inconsistency suggests two possibilities: either the object is distorting spacetime in ways we have never observed, or our understanding of gravity is incomplete. Some researchers think we might be witnessing effects similar to wormholes, which are hypothetical passages between different points in space and time. Wormholes have been a part of theoretical physics for a long time but have never been proven. The strange movements and distortions of nearby cosmic bodies might indicate that this object is connected to such a cosmic tunnel, possibly linking different parts of the universe or even different dimensions. If this is true, it could provide humanity's first solid evidence of wormholes and change how we think about traveling in space. The implications are staggering. A functioning wormhole or any form of space-time distortion would challenge the idea that faster-than-light travel is impossible. Right now, interstellar travel seems like a distant dream due to the vast distances between stars and galaxies. But if the object discovered by the James Webb Telescope is linked to a wormhole or something similar, it could offer hints about how to harness such phenomena for space exploration. This might open up the universe in ways we've only imagined in science fiction, making travel to distant star systems or even galaxies possible, which could change humanity's future forever. However, with the possibility of such advanced technology come risks. If this object is a form of advanced technology, whether artificial or natural, it raises concerns about the dangers of manipulating spacetime. The idea of bending or distorting spacetime involves forces that are far beyond our current understanding or control. One wrong move could lead to disastrous results, possibly causing spacetime to collapse, creating a black hole, or triggering some other destructive event in the cosmos. As scientists learn more about this object, they realize the importance of being cautious while exploring the limits of physics. Another extraordinary aspect of the object is its apparent ability to respond to its environment, or at least the illusion of it. New data suggests that the object might change its energy levels and movements when scientists study it, almost as if it knows it is being observed. This has sparked intense debates about whether the object has some form of consciousness or intelligence. Could it be an autonomous entity or a highly advanced machine reacting in ways we do not yet understand? Some scientists have even suggested that it could be a von Neumann probe, a theoretical self-replicating spacecraft designed by mathematician John von Neumann. According to this theory, advanced civilizations might send out these probes to explore the universe, each capable of making copies of itself and spreading across galaxies. If this idea holds, we could be witnessing the work of an intelligence far beyond our own, one that has mastered technologies we can only dream of. Moreover, the signals from the object, which are growing stronger and more complex, might not just be random noise but could be a form of communication. Although no one has managed to decode these signals yet, their rhythmic and structured nature hints that they might contain information. If we could decode them, we might discover the object's purpose or origin. However, trying to understand these signals raises different ethical questions. If they are indeed communication, are they meant for us? Could decoding them trigger a response we are not ready for? Don't miss the next scene, because this is where things get interesting. These signals could be a warning, a greeting, or an indication of something about to happen. The object's erratic movements make it hard to determine its exact distance from Earth, but there are concerns it could be closer than we thought. If it is within a certain range of our solar system, it might pose a direct threat to the stability of our cosmic neighborhood. Its gravitational distortions, spacetime anomalies, and unusual energy emissions could have unforeseen effects on nearby planets, asteroids, and even the Sun. This possibility has scientists worried about potential catastrophic space weather, shifts in planetary orbits, or worse. Some researchers think that this discovery could mark the beginning of something larger, possibly sending ripples through the very fabric of the universe. They draw parallels between this finding and theoretical concepts like cosmic phase transitions, which are massive, universe-altering events that occur when fundamental forces change. For example, when the universe cooled after the Big Bang, it went through several phase transitions that shaped the laws of nature we know today. There is growing speculation that this object could signal a new phase transition, one that might fundamentally change the laws of physics. If this object is linked to such a transition, the implications could be enormous. We might be about to witness a transformation in the universe itself, which could lead to new forms of life, energy, and matter, or result in a collapse of everything we understand. Such events are thought to be very rare, occurring only once in the lifespan of a universe. However, if we are seeing the early signs of one, this object could just be the first indication of a much larger and profound event to come. While some scientists focus on the object's potential for destruction, others view it as an opportunity for groundbreaking discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, has provided incredible sensitivity and capabilities, opening the door to a new era in understanding the universe. What lies behind that door remains unclear. Some scientists advocate for more aggressive exploration, believing that learning more about this object will prepare us for its consequences. Others urge caution, warning that the universe is filled with forces beyond our control, and reckless curiosity could lead to unintended disasters. Humanity now faces a critical moment with this extraordinary discovery that challenges not only our understanding of space but also our place within it. As the JWST continues to observe the object, every new piece of data creates discussions in the scientific community about what this could mean for the future of human knowledge. Beyond the initial excitement lies a deeper question: what does this discovery say about existence and the limits of human understanding? The object's unusual characteristics, erratic behavior, distortion of spacetime, and the possibility of advanced alien technology push us to rethink how we explore the universe. For centuries, human understanding has been built on classical physics and later expanded with quantum mechanics and relativity. Now, as the object exhibits behaviors that don't fit these models, it suggests we need a radical shift in our approach to the cosmos. One pressing question is about causality, the relationship between cause and effect. In our current model, this relationship is linear: a force is applied, and an action occurs. However, the object's energy patterns and gravitational anomalies hint that it may exist outside this framework. There are times when it seems to affect its surroundings before any measurable force is applied, almost as if it has some foreknowledge of future events. Some scientists speculate that this could indicate time behaving differently near the object, suggesting a localized breakdown of time's linear progression. The idea that time itself may be distorted near the object opens up incredible possibilities in theoretical physics. There has long been speculation about closed time-like curves, which are pathways in spacetime that loop back on themselves and could theoretically allow for time travel. If this object is linked to such curves, it could mean events around it might happen out of sequence or repeat themselves. This would not only challenge our understanding of time but also raise deep questions about determinism, free will, and the nature of reality. What if the object perceives time differently than we do? This notion would be nearly unimaginable for a human mind, which experiences time in a single direction. However, some physicists suggest that entities or objects in higher dimensions could experience time as a fluid, non-linear phenomenon. If this object is indeed higher dimensional, it may have the ability to manipulate not just space but also time itself. The object's strange interaction with light adds another layer of complexity. Normally, objects in space reflect, absorb, or emit light according to established physical laws. Yet this object seems to distort and redirect light in ways that don't match our understanding of optics. One unsettling characteristic is that it sometimes becomes invisible to certain instruments, even when they are aimed directly at it, as if it can bend light around itself, suggesting it may have cloaking abilities. This has led some to question whether the object is sentient or designed with advanced technology that surpasses anything humanity has conceived. This object can manipulate light in a selective way, hinting at advanced knowledge of how to control electromagnetic fields and quantum particles. Scientists are now faced with the exciting possibility that this object might unlock secrets about bending, controlling, and shaping light and matter in ways we previously thought were impossible. If this is indeed a form of technology, it could lead to major breakthroughs in various fields of science and engineering. For example, we might see advances in invisibility cloaking, quantum computing, and even energy generation by studying how the object manipulates the fundamental particles that make up reality. However, while these prospects are thrilling for some researchers, others are cautious. They argue that the object's behavior indicates it could be a dangerous and destabilizing force. For instance, its ability to interfere with electromagnetic waves could have serious consequences if it were to approach Earth or our solar system. Already, the object's changing energy emissions have disrupted certain deep space probes and satellites, raising concerns about the safety of our space technology. The risk that this object could disrupt communications or energy systems on a planetary scale is real, even if it is still unlikely. Given its unpredictable behavior, there is no assurance that humanity would be able to anticipate or prevent any negative effects from its closeness. The strange changes in the object's gravity suggest it could be connected to things like gravitational waves. These waves are ripples in spacetime that Einstein predicted, and scientists have recently confirmed their existence. The energy spikes from the object might mean it is either creating or boosting these waves. If this is true, it could mean that a significant cosmic event is about to happen, like black holes merging or a supermassive collapse. Such an event could have serious effects across the universe, changing not just the nearby spacetime but also creating huge shock waves that could disrupt entire star systems. The discovery of this object by the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, raises serious questions about how ready humanity is to face the dangers of exploring the unknown. While the telescope is a remarkable scientific achievement, this object might be beyond our current understanding and control. There's growing concern that simply observing the object might trigger effects we don't fully comprehend. This connects to the observer effect in quantum physics, where the act of observation can change what is being observed. Some worry that studying the object could activate hidden properties, making it more active and even more dangerous to the universe. One alarming possibility is that this object is part of a larger system or network of similar objects spread throughout the universe. If that's true, this may only be one part of a much bigger cosmic structure. If this network of objects can manipulate space and time, it could have massive consequences for galaxies far beyond what even JWST can detect. This discovery has also reignited discussions about extraterrestrial life, but in forms we've never considered. Instead of looking for planets like Earth, this object suggests that alien intelligence could exist in ways we can't imagine, perhaps as energy or even consciousness, manipulating the universe itself. If an ancient alien civilization created this object, it could be a tool, a remnant, or even a warning. What if their advanced technology led to their downfall? Could this be a lesson for humanity, teaching us about the dangers of pushing technology too far without understanding the consequences? This possibility raises ethical questions. If we ever gain the power to manipulate space and time, how should we use it? Could we, in our pursuit of knowledge and power, accidentally cause our own destruction? This discovery might be telling us to rethink our goals as a civilization. Instead of only chasing greater technological advances, we might need to focus more on understanding the responsibilities that come with such power. As researchers continue to debate these deeper questions, the challenge of studying this mysterious object grows. While JWST has given us our first close look, some experts say we need new tools and missions to fully understand it. Ideas range from sending space probes equipped with advanced sensors to building even more powerful telescopes. What are your thoughts on this latest discovery? Let us know in the comments section below. Let us know your opinions in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Click on the next video on your screen. It is another content you will enjoy.